Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I meant to do this video a whole lot earlier in the day today, which I do apologize for. Here is I did I did the long hair bob, the long hair cut bob. Not a huge difference, but it is a lot shorter and thinner. A lot thinner. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. My first box, remember whenever I was telling you guys about my Ulta order, all of my package was actually destroyed. I mean, I'm still able to use those products, but obviously, I mean, who wants damaged product when it comes in the mail, you know? So yeah. So the three items that I got are right here. I got the ColourPop palette. She's got Solstice. And I mean, somehow it kind of did get, I mean, I can understand with the mailing stuff, it's kind of like hard to not damage, but here is the really pretty palette. I thought it was really pretty. I tried packing it down just a bit with that glitter glitter shade, just because it was some of it was like, you know, it's hard to explain. Lifted. It looked like someone like scooped their nail in it or something. I don't know. But I'm definitely going to try that palette. I'm really excited about. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette. It's a highlighting palette. I'm actually excited to try that as well. I actually just realized I got some sun today. I went over to my mom's house and my nephew wanted to go outside, so we went outside for a good hot minute. But these are really pretty shades. This is called Forever Lit right here. Man, I got like eyeshadow all over the place. Wow, look at that. I'm excited to try that. This shade was actually damaged whenever the mail came in. When it came in the first time. So I'm really excited. Alright. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one, Maravy or something. I don't know. I really like the colors of this, so I was like, I want to try this. I think these things that I'm going to, whenever I go to Sandusky, in a couple of weeks, I will probably use those items and do my video that way. And here is, oops, comes with a brush, dual-ended brush, and here are the really pretty colors. There's like a lot of colors that's in here that you can do like a natural look and then some pop of color. I thought it was really pretty. And then of course the glitter case. I like it so much. I'm excited. so excited to try this. Like, their colors are so pretty. And then so soft as well. Oh man, I'm so excited. See? So pretty. Oh, I cannot get over that. Even the highlight right there. Cannot get over that. Alright. My next package I have right next to me. I just want to get some wipes so I'll just alright, so my next unboxing is actually Shakeology. I do Shakeology monthly. I'm actually a Beachbody coach, and I currently, I did order a vanilla Shakeology packets, and of course it shows you how to make a Shakeology if you want to do it that way. Very easy. But the reason why I actually got this flavor is to try this particular recipe that I found. Well, I didn't find, but my Beachbody coach had made meal plans, and the thing I really wanted to try was vanilla shakes with what is it called? Rolled oats, vanilla extract, and peaches. So I really wanted to try it with this, and that's what it was calling for, so that's why I got this package. And it comes in with 24 packets, so there's 2 different ways to be able to order it. If anyone is ever interested in getting Shakeology by me, you guys can get the packets, which will come in an individual packet, or you can get it in the big bag. It's not really big. It's like a 30-day bag. So yeah, and that's one of the reasons. But also with the Shakeology, you can do other ingredients. If you want to, instead of drink it, you can drink that and do something else. I used to like having this flavor and make it into an orange Julius. So those are really nice. Alright, and my last item is actually my Boxy Premium. And my box kind of came damaged a little, but whatever. So it comes with my little card right here, and I'll just read it off and give you the numbers. So my top item is actually this really cute brush. I love these powder concealer brushes. I have like 2 of them, so it's great to have. But this is what it looks like. It's flat, as you can tell, and here's the concealer part. This is by BDB Billion Dollar Brushes. This retails for $30. It does not feel like it's $30 worth, in my personal opinion, but it is a nice, I like getting brushes on my prescription boxes just because you can always use brushes. I mean, I know that I could. So I got a Too Faced Cocoa Contour that's cool. I like that. Did not know we were gonna get this. So this looks like a lot of dark shades. I might just use some of this as actually an eyeshadow palette, but it smells like chocolate. Don't eat it though. This retails for $44. So that's not that bad. They're like nice and soft as well. I didn't really do a lot, like a whole dark shade, but you can tell like it's kind of, it has a little bit of tone to it, so it's nice. I like that. Might use it for an eyeshadow actually. It's light highlight, medium highlight, deep highlight, light contour, medium contour, and deep contour. So it has different contours. So that's kind of nice. So the top 3 is actually the highlights, and the bottom 3 are the contours. But I think, I mean, yeah, I'll probably use some of these as contour and highlighting, but I'll probably also use this as like it's like eyeshadow. I don't know. Okay. Alright, so my next item is the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner Longwear Matte Liner. So I feel like I've gotten this item just last month as well. I don't understand. Not like this exactly, but why? I mean, I understand that Kat Von D is trying to get rid of a lot of that stuff. It's not a really dark eyeliner, but I also don't like liquid eyeliners either. But I will try it out. Alright. Oh, and that Kat Von D eyeliner, it values for $20. Just so you all know. Alright, so this is the Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear by Zova. And this retails for $12. So I think it's an eyeshadow primer. I know. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. I feel like it's a primer. I don't know, because it's like clear. I don't know. Yeah, that's value for $12. This is a shower gel by Skin & Co. We got a few items from this company before, and I did like this stuff. I think I got lotion, and that lotion is like thebomb.com. And this smells really good. And I'm actually really excited because I'm running out of body showers, so I don't need to go to the store and get some. Yay me on that one. Oh, this is Sardinian Spirit shower gel, shell douche, with notes of Sardinian, myrtle, lemongrass, and wild orange. So that smells really good anyway. And that values for $22. Alright, so this is like a damaged looking box here. This is by Glow Recipe Avocado Melt. I'm gonna break the box because I don't really care. really cute jar. Look at that. So it's a sleeping mask, moisturizing plus firming. That's cool. Okay, and it has like a little sill to it, a little plastic sill, and it has no smell. Oh, it feels funky. I hope I don't get allergic reaction to this. I'm not going to bed yet, but let's see how it like works, I guess. I'll probably do a try on tomorrow. But other than that, I think that's about it on my unboxings. I was supposed to get a few things in the mail today, but I haven't seen the mail yet, so I can't do anything about that. So the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask values for $49. So here is my card and the items that I got. The theme of the month is the Oasis, and I got number 28. That is my card number. So I might actually change up my card or my description and see what it looks like whenever, you know, they go and send us stuff. So let's see. I will definitely be doing a look, but I haven't decided like what I'm going to like do or use. There's a bunch of stuff that I still need to do I haven't yet done, but I'll get it done sooner or later. My energy level is like insanely like not there. I don't know. Definitely not there. But I will see you guys tomorrow, or you guys will see me tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. I wonder if this is where the black stuff came from. My table was black, or part of it was, but yeah. Alright, bye guys.